welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to video call on TikTok. Yes, so as we all know, some people have actually started using the call option on TikTok. Yes, and some haven't even started using the call option, while some can use the call option and the video option is not showing. It's just like mine. I can only make call without making a video call. So what are you going to do? First thing you have to do is go to your phone settings. Yes, you scroll the way down to apps, just like this. And once you click on apps, you're going to search for TikTok, or just click on TikTok app itself. Yes, and once you click on that, you scroll down to storage, click on storage, and you have to clear up the cache and data. See it right here, clearing of data and cache. So once you finish, you have to click on force stop right here. So once you click on force stop, you can now go back and you have to open up your Play Store or Apple Store. Click on it and you have to search for TikTok. So once you search for TikTok like this, you have to click on the update button and update the app. So once you update the app, you can start using the video call. But if it doesn't show up, that means video call option on TikTok has not been rolled out to your region. Yes, if you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and you hold subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.